2025 Jaguar E-Type has made a striking return, blending classic British elegance with modern engineering to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. In today's review, we're diving deep into what makes this iconic model worth the buzz, from its exterior design to interior features, performance, and pricing. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 E-Type immediately commands attention with its unmistakable silhouette. It retains the sleek curves and aerodynamic body that made its predecessors a symbol of luxury and speed. The front end is characterized by the signature oval grille, flanked by modern, sharp LED headlights that integrate seamlessly into the body. The long flowing hood still leads into a rear end that tapers elegantly, reminiscent of the original 60s E-Type, while the 2025 version adds a more aggressive touch with wider rear arches and a slightly lower stance. The car sits on 20-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, providing a perfect blend of sportiness and sophistication. Moving to the interior, the cabin is a perfect fusion of contemporary luxury and vintage charm. The materials used are a mix of fine leather, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum, creating a high-end, tactile experience. The seats are sculpted and supportive, designed not just for comfort, but for dynamic driving performance. The steering wheel has a classic feel, but is outfitted with modern controls for convenience, while the dashboard blends analog dials with a 12.3-inch digital display, giving the driver the best of both worlds. The cabin is spacious, and even though the E-Type remains a two-seater, there's plenty of room to stretch out, especially with the adjustable heated seats. One of the highlights is the infotainment system, featuring Jaguar's Pivi Pro system with a 10-inch touchscreen supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's intuitive and responsive, keeping you connected and in control without overwhelming the driver. Premium sound options by Meridian are available, delivering crisp, high-quality audio to complement your driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 E-Type doesn't disappoint. Powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, it produces an impressive 575 horsepower and 600 lb-ft of torque, making the E-Type faster than ever. With Jaguar's latest performance enhancements, this car can go from 0 to 60 EMP in just 3.5 seconds. That's thanks to a combination of a lightweight carbon fiber structure and an advanced suspension system, which provides a perfect balance between comfort and sharp handling. Whether you're on a twisty back road or cruising on the highway, the E-Type's handling remains precise and responsive. The 8-speed automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and there's also an option for a manual transmission for enthusiasts who crave a more engaged driving experience. The car is equipped with adaptive damping and a sophisticated traction control system, ensuring that every drive is both exhilarating and controlled, no matter the conditions. On the road, the driving experience is a blend of power, refinement, and dynamic handling. The V8 engine delivers a visceral growl, especially when you push the car hard, but at cruising speeds it remains impressively quiet. The rear-wheel drive layout and active differential provide exceptional cornering and stability. The E-Type can be adjusted to different driving modes, including comfort, dynamic, and eco, which alter the suspension stiffness, throttle response, and steering feel. The braking system is equally impressive, with carbon ceramic discs that offer incredible stopping power, even at high speeds. Now let's talk about pricing. As you'd expect from a Jaguar of this caliber, the 2025 E-Type is a premium offering. The starting price for the base model begins around $150,000, which is competitive in the luxury sports car market. However, if you opt for higher trims with additional features like carbon fiber accents, premium audio, or the full performance package, you could see the price push upwards of $180,000 or more. While this may seem steep, it's in line with other high-end vehicles in the segment, such as the Porsche 911 Turbo and the Aston Martin Vantage. The price reflects not only the performance and luxury, but also the rich history of the E-Type, which continues to captivate automotive enthusiasts around the world. In conclusion, the 2025 Jaguar E-Type is a car that seamlessly blends the past and the future. It retains the timeless elegance of the original while incorporating cutting-edge technology, exhilarating performance, and luxury into every aspect of the car. Whether you're drawn to its classic design or its modern-day performance, the 2025 E-Type is truly a work of art on wheels. It's a car that will stand the test of time and continue to be a dream for collectors and driving enthusiasts alike. If you're in the market for a high-performance luxury car with a bit of history and style, the 2025 Jaguar E-Type deserves a spot at the top of your list.